Finding prime numbers using list comprehension. I was trying to generate all prime numbers in range x to y. I tried simple example first, range 10, 11, which means to check if 10 is a prime number. Here is my code. I know that the thing is missing the option to tell the expression that x% y not equals 0, should be checked for all y in range 2, x, and return true if and only if all have met this condition. How do we do that?
Use OR to check all elements, from 2 up to x1, met conditions.
You could optimize more using the concept of the square root so as not to iterate throughout the list and calculate the prime numbers faster in the following way.
One way using set comprehension can be
program to find prime numbers within a given range using list comprehensions.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.